Welcome to the new era of home automation and a digitally connected life. Now, can you imagine yourself winding down windows in an old car? What about your home windows? Meet SmartSlydr, a next-generation home automation solution for sliding doors and windows. Slim, sleek, and easy to install. Built with innovation, simplicity, and technology in mind, it allows your windows and doors to follow your voice commands.
Open sesame.
Here at Lychee Things, our mission is to give everyone access to a luxurious smart home. SmartSlydr opens up a treasure of fresh outdoor air for everyone to enjoy. Have you ever felt energetic outdoors but sluggish indoors? According to the EPA, refreshing and ventilating with outside air helps eliminate indoor chemical pollutants and significantly reduces exposure to viruses and bacteria. You can also refresh your home minutes before arriving. SmartSlydr doesn't just open or close the windows, it also keeps them locked, so you can leave your worries behind before bed or while going away from home.
Oh, did you close the windows?
Yep.
Pet paths are perfect for pets to enter and exit on their own. You can also get notified when your pet operates the door. On-demand buttons give an instantaneous convenience of powered activation. Use your smartphone to operate doors and windows remotely. Also, daily scheduling helps give you comfort while you're asleep. Voice assistant speaker users can use voice to open the door right when you need it most.
Open sesame.
So breathe easy, live healthy, and enjoy the moments of life more. Be part of the SmartSlydr family and experience a happier, healthier, and more modern life.